Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create sharp coloring video on Capcut. So first, just add your clips and go to adjust. Follow these settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -10. And the contrast and exposure, set it to 10. Sharpen 100. Click on highlight and add it to 10. And then add some vignette effect around 20. Okay, click on the check icon and now go to the overlay and add a black image from the overlay. Okay, and here go to mask, click on the overlay, go to mask, click on split, and now drag the arrow down to have a blurry effect like this. Click on the check icon and now rotate the overlay and put it the black one in the bottom like this. Okay, so now go to overlay and add this damage film as the overlay. Okay, in here like this. Go to blend and now click on line. Click on a check icon and you are done. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on thanks or like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.